out of school after marriage. Think that it's better not to waste time studying to give dedication to the family. Although it sounds very bad to listen to, these girls are the foremost shocked in the next life. Many of these who had a job or business before marriage also stopped doing it due to the busyness of the family. They also eat push. Financial self-sufficiency is extremely important to walk the path. By the time you know it, it's actually too late. I'm not saying you've got to do the job. Do the work that you simply like the most, the one that you simply are very good at. You'll have income. You'll be busy, and your mind is going to be good. And if you stumble along the way, don't go later. You'll do freelancing, if you recognize how to do graphics, if you recognize photography. You'll do it effortlessly. If you're good at cooking, you'll start a food business from home. If you're interested in crafting, painting, and makeup, you'll start. If you're interested in baking, you'll start a cake-making business at home. There also are many ideas for startups. Do what you'll to gain expertise and opportunity. And therefore the biggest thing is don't stop studying. Have a trusted and reliable partner to require care of